volunteer, Kayla here. We are going through alignment for just being on the floor and a neutral spine bridge. So starting from the feet, the toes are up, a block in between lines up the bones all the way to the pelvis, to the shoulders. So we got ankle loop, we got shin loop. They're energetically squeezing together. The thighs will automatically widen. We got pelvic loop. Imagine I could slide my hand underneath, and in between the two shoulder wings will combine kidney loop and shoulder loop and skull loop. So on the side, ears over the shoulders, ribs over the hips. And then if we were standing, the knees and the feet all line up. So this is the inhale to get centered. As we exhale, we press into the feet, we press into the triceps, we move our heart forward, and we act like I was using this strap here to lift Kayla up into a neutral spine bridge without scooping or arching. So inhale here, and then exhale, and she's just perfect. And that is a neutral spine bridge. And you have a couple options. You could just stay here and inhale and just count breaths and just try to squeeze. The toes are up, you squeeze, you feel the hamstrings, the glutes. You count breaths and work so we can get these flat abs against gravity. Or you would lower down on each inhale. Inhale, come down, yep. And then as you exhale, press and lift. Yep. There we go. Thank you, Kayla. Namaste.